Hi everyone, hope you're good, hope you're well. This week we'll be looking at cultural perspectives on managing in the multinational corporation. We'll be paying a particular attention to Emic approaches. Now remember, we have said that Emic approaches relate to or involve the analysis of cultural phenomena from the perspective of one who participates in the culture being studied. So one who is actively involved in that culture, right? So the insider perspective. So we have a couple of readings for this week. The first is this case study. It's one of Finnish and Chinese employees. Okay, so Finnish and Chinese cultures. All right, so that's the first case study. After reading that case study, these are the questions you should answer. So I would appreciate it if you open a document, right? A word processor document, whatever processor you use on your computer. You answer the questions and save your answers there, or you write your answers out on or maybe on a piece of paper or on a notebook, and in a notebook, and you bring to class. Okay. So the first question is this: identify the struggles slash pressures between the different national groups and for employees in general. So what's happening there? What are the struggles and what are the pressures? The second question is, what do you think of the key leadership model used within the company? And you can look at this in terms of competencies and skills. Uh, The third question is task orientation versus people orientation. What does that mean, right? What does that mean in this context? And the final question is technology. Okay, is that a source of advantage or is it a trap? So we're looking at virtual versus physical artifacts. So is technology a source of advantage or a trap in this case? Okay, so that's the first case study. The second case study is this one, Share Corporation, the Pink Towels. It's also available for you to read, and the questions you should answer for this one are these. Okay, the first question you should answer is, how should the management of Share interpret the situation? Second question is, how should Share respond to staff? And then the final one is, recommend a future plan for Share in dealing with related issues. Okay, so those are the three questions to answer. So just answer these three questions and I'll see you in class. I'll just leave it on the screen so you could write it out. Okay, so I hope you've taken a note of it. Right, we have a third case study this week. All right. So our third case study is this one, IKEA in Saudi Arabia. It's also available for you to read, and these are the questions to be answered. Okay, why in your assessment is IKEA in the situation described in the case? What are IKEA's options and what should be done? Okay, why in your assessment is IKEA in the situation described in the case? What are IKEA's options and what should be done? All right, so please read these, answer the questions, and I will see you later. Bye for now. 下一生。